Welcome back to our channel, dear friends. We're thrilled to have you with us. Today we're diving into a delightful journey into the world of frozen treats. We're taking the simple yet exciting path to creating a summer favorite, the classic ice pop. This process is as easy as pie, and the outcome, well, it's a deliciously refreshing treat that's perfect for the sunny days ahead. So buckle up, folks. Get ready to chill with the coolest treat of the summer, the ice pop. As Ninias, I'd say making an ice pop is as easy as pie, and it starts with gathering the right ingredients. The basics are pretty simple: your favorite fruit juice or any other liquid of your choice, a sweetener if you wish to add a little extra sweetness, and of course, ice pop molds. Remember, using fresh and high quality ingredients is key to achieving that perfect, refreshing ice pop. So go for the best you can get. With these items in hand, you're all set to start making your ice pops. Now for the fun part, making the ice pops. The process is delightfully simple. First, you'll want to fill your molds with your chosen liquid. This could be anything from a fresh fruit juice to a decadent chocolate milk. Next, you're going to insert the sticks. Make sure they're centered and securely in place. Now here's a little tip for success. Leave a bit of space at the top of the mold. Why, you ask? Well, as the liquid freezes, it expands. Leaving a little room will ensure your pops turn out perfect every time. Then it's time to play the waiting game. Pop those molds into the freezer. Patience is key here. You'll want to give them a good few hours to fully freeze and set. And there you have it. After a few hours in the freezer, your ice pops will be ready to enjoy. The anticipation is over. It's time to reveal your homemade ice pops. With a gentle touch, retrieve your frozen delights from their icy chamber. To ease their release, a quick dance under warm water will do the trick. Remember, patience is key. No need to rush this final stage. With each ice pop release, you'll see the fruits of your labor come to life. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the first taste. There you have it, a refreshing ice pop made by you, ready to be savored. Making your own ice pops is a breeze, isn't it? You've seen how simple it is to gather your favorite ingredients, blend them together, pour the mixture into molds, and then patiently wait for them to freeze. The result? A delightful, refreshing treat to savor on a warm summer day. So, why not give it a whirl? Remember, nothing beats the satisfaction of enjoying something you've made yourself. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay cool and enjoy your homemade ice pops.